My name is Sahana, and I'm going to USA for my master's study, and I'm opting the course called Masters in Data Science. Yeah, I got it in 3 to 4 universities. Okay. Yeah, from in UTD I got, Drexel I got, Maryland I got. So yeah, and Northeastern also. Ma'am, actually, one of my family member, he went through the Chandari courses, and he advised me to get a counseling with Dilip Safar. I actually went asked about the general things, how they are gonna assist me and all, and then unfortunately, I went to another university. I mean, at agency where they actually didn't give me a proper consultation and all. So I was actually disappointed in their they weren't guiding me based on my expectations, ma'am. Like they were just feeding me what they wanted to give me. So I don't like that because I wanted something. They were offering me something else and they were forcing me into joining Canada, which I know it's very hard to join. Yeah, and they weren't even giving assistance in writing my SOPs and how it should be, how the application should be done. So I was not happy with him. So again, I came back. I consulted with Dilip sir about this, and thankfully he assigned me a counselor very soon, and that's Stanley sir. And I must say, Stanley sir actually helped me a lot because I came here around October 25. Yeah, last year, October 25. So I was like, I was so scared because I just had my IELTS score with me. I didn't have anything else, any shortlisting or counseling. I didn't know how will I be doing all this within the November December period because that's when the application closes. I was very scared, but trust me, within 25 days I completed the counseling and all. I think I think I have looked into the visa slot more frequently than others. Actually, I applied my visa, this payment and all in the morning, and I got my slot by God's grace in the afternoon itself. Okay. Same day. Yeah, the same day. And the one advice that I will give to students is that you have to look into the website and you don't have to refresh them. So people think refreshing it will bring them in the front of the queue, but I think it will push you back of the queue. Yeah, that's what actually happens. So you will not be getting the slots if somebody is denying it or canceling it or rescheduling it. So you have to just wait in the website, and when the website goes on and off, like within 1 second, I think you should check for the slots because that's when the reschedule happens and the slot opens. So please don't log in after 3 times. It will make you block. But yeah, that's how I tried mine. Because I mean, I this mentality of not following what other people says. So people told me to go to UK or Ireland because Ireland is in peak right now. Like, and many people are going to Ireland. So I think UK and Ireland is oversaturated. And when people are focusing on something else, I think in USA I will get my chance and position. I never let me down. Yes, I'm absolutely happy. I chose Drexel because of their co-op opportunity. I have this mindset of going to USA, gaining the relevant experience and hands-on things that I want to, and land in a job where I can expand myself and my career. So when I go to Texas A&M, I think in my research, I got to know it's a research-based university, which is actually nice for people who are opting for PhDs and all this. But my target is not PhD. My target is to gain the experience and work in the real world scenarios. So I think Drexel fitted in. Anything and everything can happen within a split second. Some good things can change to bad, some bad things can change to good. That's what happened to me. I was in the rock bottom when I got to know the agency was scamming me. And I think a right hand, a right mentor can make things better in a very faster way. So I advise people to find the right mentor and please don't settle for less. Even if the struggle is quite hard now, I think all the struggle will pay you off, like how it did to me in the last day. Like, sir helped me in this. Stanley sir helped me. He actually understood what I want, and rather than pushing me to the universities which might favor the agency, he helped me a lot with actually finding a university which is in my expectations and which is what I wanted. And Drexel is what I wanted. Because I think you are not, I mean, the agency is not following the favor and the vision. I mean, your vision and mission is completely student favorable, I should say, rather than any other university who's trying to get into, I mean, pushing people into the university which they are having tie up with. So I think if there is a chance, you guys would have pushed me into one, but you didn't do that. You just listened to what I wanted, and even though you had ties up with many university, you just allowed me to find the right one for me. I think this is rare, and every person should get like that. And I'll just say one thing to students, that is, if you are not risking it, I think you will not get the fruit of your favor. You have to risk yourself so that you can get a life which you wanted. And I would say don't focus on risks, focus on uh, outcomes.